Welcome back, Ram fans. We gotta do something with this busted up old dash here, and I've decided to do something very 90s with it. Covered in carpet. Oh yeah. So the first thing we need to do is get the dash all nice and clean. And I'm gonna use rubbing alcohol for that, because we have to make sure these little Velcro pads stick to the dash really well. Now that we have the dash nice and clean, we have another problem in that these pieces are just completely loose. Since the carpet is just a band-aid anyway, I'm gonna band-aid this up with some Gorilla Tape. Man, it is crazy how brittle this dash is. I just touched this and it completely fell away. What I'm trying to do for these pieces over here is to make a little sling to go underneath. And then I'll come back with tape on top of the cracks too. Maybe that'll hold this whole puzzle together. Alright, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Every time I try to touch this thing, it just explodes into more pieces. Now I need to decide where I'm gonna lay out all of my little Velcro tabs. Need to make sure they're evenly spaced around. Alright, I've got all my little pads placed here, and some along the windshield as well. And I've left one to grow on, just in case I need to tack down another spot. Since this thing came folded up in a box, it's got some creases in it. So I'm actually going to use this little steamer to steam the creases out before trying to put it on the dash. Looks like it's working. So the best way to start one of these guys is in the middle. And as you place it in the middle, work your way out, smoothing things out. You gotta make sure you get it all the way to the back. Considering how messed up my dash is, this turned out pretty nice. And once I got going on laying it down, it went together pretty smoothly. Now this is the cheapest dash mat that Amazon had for this truck. And overall the fitment is pretty good. But there is one little spot where they got their calculations wrong. This little corner over here doesn't quite fit right. But hey, for only 20 bucks, I can live with that. Bye, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.